Good morning, everyone. Today I am in my home chamber founded by me. The name of the chamber is the Speakers Club. Today I want to discuss about the laws amendment and the provisional changes in all of the major acts in our judiciary. That what sections are changed and how it will be changed. First of all, we have to know about the what are the steps to make the certain laws, certain acts. That one person asked me that the where is laws are made, where are the laws are made. I said laws are made in parliament, and the parliaments are the body of government. So there are three major acts generally commonly known as the IPC CRPC. What is IPC? Before so many years ago, after the in 1860 in 1860 there is the kings Englishmen were drafted this IPC in 1860. उस समय अंग्रेज रहते थे और अंग्रेजों का बनाया हुआ कानून हम पढ़ते थे और 200 सालों से 1860 से लेकर उस समय कानून बना हुआ था और उसमें सारी बातें लिखी गई थी, जैसा कि हम लोगों ने कचहरी में लेकर कचहरी कोर्ट्स वगैरह में पढ़ा. सो what is the reason that the laws are changed, and for what reason? In IPC, before 1860, there were the Mughals emperors, right? There were the Mughal emperors. There, the laws of the Mughal emperor, the first one of the very greatest ruler of the Mughal emperor was the Akbar. Aine Akbari was the laws. According to that laws, he made his own laws, right? We didn't. I don't. So IPC is the IPC is the main criminal act. IPC is the main criminal act, and from CRPC it will be the IPC is running with the CRPC. CRPC, what is CRPC? CRPC means, suppose I want to give the false accused name persons, one person's literally beaten in my town, and he is unable to give the FIR, right? So according to the CRPC sections, that will be given in the named as zero FIR. What is zero FIR in the new Measure Act, that is IPC, the Dand Prakriya Sanhita in old, and now it is known as the what IPC CRPC. And zero FIR means what? Zero FIR means zero FIR is an online FIR through which FIR should be FIR paper will be given to the from the police officer, and that will be the written before the magistrate, before the commissioner, before the police inspector in town, and you have to just given to them. That will be the zero FIR according to the new CRPC. Okay, and he will be arrested according to the new section of the CRPC, that is 35A, right? So in 1860 there was the Lord Cornwallis. There is the hierarchy of there are so many English men who ruled in the India, and from the 1860 till now 224 31st July कर रहे हैं. Okay, and next video I will be discuss about the sections.